In the mid-1970s, Toyota began a quest for reduction of setup times for large production equipment in their auto factories. They called their system SMED, Single Minute Exchange of Dies, which became a mantra for continuous improvement. Over a 10-year period, it resulted in a 40-fold reduction of non-productive time spent on die changes in their large metal stamping operations. While the value of reducing non-productive time in manufacturing seems intuitive and obvious, Toyota realized a host of other benefits as setup times decreased. Here is an abbreviated list. Smaller lot sizes became economically feasible, creating a more flexible operation. Reduced inventory and floor space requirements. Reduced scrap and waste. Reduced skill level for die changes, since the process is more highly engineered and mechanized. Improved production quality and worker safety. These ideas are especially applicable to injection molding operations, where mold changes constantly erode profits. Berger & Brown Engineering Incorporated offers 3 Smartflow products that support the principles of SMED to help molders reduce unproductive mold change time. Swap valve, fast tie, and DuoFlow manifolds help reduce mold change time to minutes. DuoFlow manifolds have supply and return connections in the same compact manifold and can be mounted directly on a mold, allowing multiple cooling passages to be served by single supply and return connection. DuoFlow manifolds reduce plumbing mistakes and time, as the individual cooling circuits remain intact during mold storage. During mold change, only supply and return connections on each mold half are made. Use of DuoFlow manifolds can shave minutes off each mold change. They are available in 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and 1 1/2 inch inlet sizes, as well as in a wide range of port sizes and positions. Both NPT and BSP threads are offered. Custom manifolds are also available upon request. Let your imagination run wild. We can build it. Swap valve, selectable water and air purge, will further enhance your DuoFlow manifold installation. Swap valve is a patented 3-position valve that offers full port supply water flow and can quickly and conveniently remove water from cooling lines and mold passages. When the water level is moved from the water to the purge position, compressed shop air is directed into the water supply lines, forcing coolant out of the lines and mold passages and into the water system return piping past a check valve. A vent position is selected so cooling lines may be disconnected. If the swap valve is used in a closed-loop system, ask about our Taco air separator, which will effectively remove air from your system, preventing pump cavitation. Swap valve delivers substantial savings in mold change time, as well as enhanced safety, since purged cooling lines are less likely to leak coolant onto the floor surrounding the molding press. Molds also go into storage relatively dry, helping to reduce corrosion. Swap valves are available in 1 inch and 2 inch NPT and BSP threads. Fast Tie Quick Ejector Tie-In System makes ejector tie-in a snap, literally. The heart of this system is a patented, robust coupler that releases instantly when compressed air is applied. Machines can be populated with the Fast Tie coupler, the more expensive half, in a variety of patterns: horizontal, vertical, and center. Molds are populated in the same patterns with the Fast Tie stud, the less expensive half. Several different metric and standard threaded adapters are available, so modification of the mold is usually not required. After the mold is set, the machine ejector is moved forward to mechanically connect to the mold ejector plate. During the entire molding run, the Fast Tie couplers remain mechanically fastened, reducing stress and wear on the system. When a mold change is required, simply turn on compressed air and move the machine ejector plate rearward to disconnect the Fast Tie couplers from the studs. No tools are required. The Fast Tie system is offered in 3 sizes for molding presses up to 2,500 tons. A seasoned and successful local molder told us years ago that over many years he has tried his hardest but had never figured out how to make money doing mold changes. We took that lesson to heart at Berger & Brown Engineering and developed products that help molders minimize the unproductive and costly mold change time. SMED and Smartflow, tools for continuous improvement.